Hello guys, welcome to PixEdu YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn how to export animation with a transparent background in After Effects. So let's start. So as you can see, we have a 3D animation of a mobile here. So first of all, to export it with a transparent animation, we will off its background layers. So this is the background layer. We will off it. So now its background layer has been off. So if there are many background layers, so the all backgrounds of that specific layer should be off. So as you can see, now here is a black background, but this is not black, this is transparent. So if you have any doubt, you can click here on toggle transparency grid. So if it shows this transparency grid, it means it's a transparent background. So if it shows this transparency grid, it means there is no layer behind your layer which you have to export it with the transparent background. So now we can proceed further as our every background layer has been off. So now we have to simply click on file, click on export, add to render queue. Now click on output module, choose in whichever format you have to export. So the main thing which you have to remember is you have to change channels. You have to choose RGB plus alpha instead of RGB. Now you are done. Now you can export. Now we will export it. We will name it transparency background animation. Now you can export it. We will name it transparent BG animation. Now we will render it. So as you can see, our export has been done. So let me show you this transparent animation by putting it on another background. So we will select this video and drag and drop it in Premiere Pro on another background. So as you can see, this is our layer of video and this is our layer of another background. So when you will put this layer, mobile animation layer, onto another background, you can see our mobile animation layer has been merged with the background layer. Now we will set it. As you can see, our transparent animation has merged with the new background. So with this simple step, you can easily export your animation with the transparent background. I hope this tutorial was easy to learn. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and ask us. Thank you very much for watching this video and support us by liking and subscribing. Thank you. Take care.